Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here for our second video review of the C20 Pro smartwatch. The first video is all about the specs and the design of this wearable. This time we are going to dive into the menus and features of the C20 Pro smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, especially on its menus and features, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Okay, let's get started and check on the menus and features of the C20 Pro smartwatch. Again, this is our second video review. The first one is all about specs and design. This time we are going to check on the menus and features available on this rugged outdoor smartwatch. On its description, it says it is a military grade outdoor smartwatch, C20 Pro. Okay, so we have here, as you can see, we have a power button and a sports button. Okay, let's focus on. Okay, it's it. Okay, see it here, power button, and we have a sports button. Okay, checking on the menus. Okay, let's explore. On top we have the quick settings. We also have here the brightness display. Let's adjust it. What else? We have the battery, do not disturb mode, or it's the do not disturb mode. Lift your wrist, to display function or to display the screen. On the other side, we have the main features here. We have activity tracking, heart rate, sleep monitoring, SpO2, we have weather, and you can add other favorites here. Let's see, I like to add this one. Okay, we have a music control function. Okay, on the left side we have, I think these are the recently accessed functions. Okay, we have some icons here. So let's check on the features. On the bottom part we have the notification function. Okay, so let's check on the menus, if there are menus for the wearable. Okay, so where are the menu? We have at least 6 icons here. We have the weather, music player, sports, find phone, messages, and I think this is Bluetooth call. Okay, I can find the main menu here. Let's check with this one. Okay, so the sports button, it's not a sports button but a main menu button here. Okay, we have a grid type and we have a lot of features here. So let's see. Okay, I want to see the list menu. Okay, let's check. Phone on, phone reset, system about, display, watch face. We have here the menu view. Okay, so that is a parallel, I think. Let's adjust. Okay, where's the list view? Menu view, surface, crescent, full moon, helm. Okay, I like this one. Okay, so that's it. So here are the features of the C20 Pro smartwatch. Okay, let's check it one by one. We have activity, we have phone call, that is for the Bluetooth call. We have a heart rate, stress monitoring. We also have a sleep monitoring, a blood pressure function, blood oxygen monitoring. So this is the sports. So they named it exercise. We have exercise record, weather, messages, remote shutter, player relax, timer, and We also have AI voice here. Alarm, stopwatch, cycle tracking, find phone, what else? Calculator, and settings. So for the settings, we have display. So display, it is included with brightness, sleep. So that is, I think this is a timer for the backlight for the screen. Menu view, wrist raise. For the menu view, we already check on that. So let's have it again. Menu view, honeycomb, grid view, parallel, surface. Oops. Again, crescent, full moon, home, and list view. Okay, going back to the settings, we have vibrate and ring, audio Bluetooth, do not disturb mode, low power mode, phone on, phone reset, system. For the system, we have restart, power off, and reset. So version C20 Pro. We have the app download, so it is using the Dafit application. Again, going back to the display, we have the watch face. I wonder why it is labeled as sports, but it's not a sports function. Okay, it should be connected to the sports function of the smartwatch. Wrist raise. Okay, that's it for the settings. For the sports, let's check. So we have walking, running, we do have a cycling, skipping rope, badminton, basketball, football, swimming, climbing, tennis, rugby, golf, open golf, yoga, fitness, dancing, baseball, elliptical, indoor cycling, free training, rowing machine, and more. So let's check here. Okay, the UI here is pretty similar to the Call Me P73. Okay, it is categorized into different, okay, sports. For example, popular sports. So this one, if you, some of the most picked applications or sports functions here on your smartwatch, it will be listed here. We have water sports, outdoor activities, trainings, dance, combat sports, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, and other sports here. We also have equestrian, athletics, auto racing, and that's it. Okay, let's check on the outdoor activities here. We have rock climbing, skateboarding, roller skating, parkour, ATV, and we have a lot of outdoor sports here. Okay, as you can see, there's no popular sports selected here. For example, I will pick one: combat sports, boxing, judo, taekwondo, karate, how to pick a sports here. Okay, as you can see, we have a plus sign. Let's see here on our popular sports. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we added some sports here. Let's see if we can remove these sports. How many sports do we have? We have a lot of sports here. Okay, you can remove. It is not the sports that you recently accessed, but the sports that you selected, I think. How about this one? Let's see. Okay, I don't know if it will be added to the popular sports. Okay, for example, cycling, it monitors the steps, calories, heart rate. Let's check. Stop. Okay, go back. Oops. Stop. Oh. Stop. And go back. Exercise. Let's see. Okay. The popular sports is the list of sports that you have selected. Okay. It's not what you have. It's not the sports that you use, but you have the sports that you have selected. Okay. Blood pressure. Let's check. Okay. Okay, so that's it for the menus and features of the C20 Pro smartwatch. So we are going to check more on these features, okay, of the C20 Pro smartwatch on our next video. So watch out, subscribe, and like, okay, so that you will know some of the latest sports smartwatch, rugged outdoor smartwatch in the market. Again, this is the C20 Pro smartwatch. Bye.